So I got it loaded up. Does look like the frame's bent a little bit. It's tweaked at the front here, but not terrible. Probably gonna end up changing the frame, but looks pretty sweet, fully loaded. Let's pop the hood and see if we can see any damage, what the damage is on this. They were nice enough to tape this out, but they didn't. I don't have the bumper or the headlights. I don't know why. Usually get all the parts with it, but the hinge is smashed. I wonder if the there's leaking a little bit of coolant over here, but I don't know where it's coming from exactly. Push this back a little bit, not too bad. You can change this whole rad support in one big piece though, so that's alright. Get it from, it's actually available too. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, the intercooler actually might be okay. I don't think it actually touched the intercooler. Yeah, it's not even touching. That's a bonus. Definitely low on. It's low on a little bit of coolant, but it was dripping out a little bit. Not too bad, but hood's screwed, but oh well. I wonder what they hit. You can see the frame kind of twisted the frame a little bit here, and I see they have it marked in here where the frame has a little bit of a wrinkle in it. And same thing, the rad supporter here's mashed. Looks pretty good though, actually considering. I thought it'd be worse than this, but the rest of the body's good. But it's fully loaded. It's kind of dirty, but I'll clean it out. No rock chips really. Some glass and shit in the back, but huh. Weird. But it looks like we're gonna be swapping a frame anyways. So it's pretty nasty in here. It's not bad, it's just lots of dog hair. The interior is in excellent shape, but it just needs to be cleaned up. I really like how they have a dark brown headliner on these. Looks good. Wasn't really, I thought the seats were more of like a gray, but they're kind of a tan. But I gotta pull the seats out anyways. I'll clean them, and just to get to the airbag control module, which is in the underneath the center console there. And then I gotta send the seat belts away, get them fixed. Everything else looks good on the truck. No other dents except for the damage on the front. So to change this whole rad support out. Radiator looks bad. The intercooler is good. The frame is bent though, so let's change the frame. Yeah, so it's be a little bit of a project, but should be quick once I get the parts anyways. all cleaned up. I'm gonna pull the seat belts out, so I pulled that one out already. I need to get the airbag control module, which is under here. So pull this cover off, and then take this other seat belt out, and then I can send them away to get fixed and get the airbag control module reprogrammed. And I have this is a new airbag coming from GM for the steering wheel there. So here's the airbag control module, which is underneath the center console here, and it should just be 3 10mm bolts. You might have to take the other side cover off to get the bolt on the other side, but just unhook your batteries and then you can unplug that, just because it's, you don't wreck. So here's the airbag control module, and I'll have to send this away to get reprogrammed. You can see it just kind of sneaks underneath here. So now it'll be about 2 weeks for parts. So I'm just gonna go park it in the shed for now until I get some parts. I got the frame, whole new unibody front, rat support here, coolers, hood and fenders and a bunch of other stuff. So everything was available, which is great. So like and subscribe, and I'll have another update video once I get parts.